After installing the themes and the WordPress plugin for the website, what we have to do is, if we wanted to see the our page or website how it look like, we just go to this, and from here I will select this visit site option. Now in my case I just wanted to open this in a new tab, so I will right click on it and select the new tab option from here, and here it here see how my website look like. Okay, so there is nothing to view as we have to make as website to be look. So if we just close this over here, now our next job is to create the pages for the website. So in order to create the page, we are having two options over here. First is go to this plus sign and new, and from there select the page option from here or click on this. And the second one is go to this left side and left side menu, and from this menu option we have two options, that is all pages, that is used to view the all pages that we have created over there, and to add a new page just click on this button, add new. So here in after this we have add new page. So here we have to give the title of the page. So in our case the title of the page we just wanted to give as home page over here. So we can also edit it with the Elementor. How to edit with the Elementor, that we will see in the coming videos. And we just give the name to this page as home page, the title given to this. And after doing this, we just nothing to do over there till now, and we have to move to this section, that is right on side. So in this case we see this study that we will learn in the coming sessions and one by one. So here we have to go select, in this case we have to select this page attribute. We have to go to the page attribute section over here, and there we have to drop down menu, and then we have to select the template for this. So for the template you have to click on there, and you have to select it as front page, as we wanted to make this home page as the front page of the website. So I will select front page. After selecting the front page, my next job is to publish the page. So to publish the page, I just go to this option and click on this. So it confirming me. Okay, it will again confirm you whether you want to create this page or we wanted to make changes. So simply just click again publish, updating, and the new page will be copied over there. If you wanted to see this page, just click on this and open it in a new tab. Okay, so here it look like a page. Don't worry, we will edit this page the coming lessons. And here we see this is the page address, that is, if we see over there we can see this page address is at like my blog. Okay, and here just clicking on this button we can view the page, or if we wanted to copy the link we can copy this link from here, and if we paste it here using control V, it will look like this way: http blog parampartyal.tech.myblogs/homepage. Okay, so just having the same thing over here. So this way we just open the page over here. So view page, then copy the link, then this is the address of the page that is going to be coming. Similarly we wanted to create another page over here, so but we have to move back to the dashboard. Just clicking on this button and look at this, our page is created over there, and its name is home page. Now I wanted to create another page. There we are having again three options right now we are having. So one is from new, then page, second is page, then here from add new, and then add new from here. So this time I'm going to create another page, that is blog. I'm just give the name to this page as blog, and this time I need not to go to this section over there. Okay, so simply in order to, this is a simple place, so we just want the default template for this, and this page is having no any parent page, so just give the name to this page and click on the publish button. Okay, again click on this publish button and you can view the page using this button. Okay, it look like same as of your home page because we have not written anything to this page till now. So after creating these two pages, we have to make some setting for this page. So for this we have to go to the dashboard, and in our dashboard move to the this bottom left corner, and here we see the settings. Okay, now we have to set the home page of the our website and the blog page of the website. So for this we have to go to the setting, and from here we have to go to the option reading. Okay, just click on the reading, and your home page display your latest post. Instead of that you have to select the option static page, and home page you have to select your home page, and the post type you have to post page you have to select the blog over here, and go to the bottom and just here click on the button save changes. Okay, save changes. Now again go to this site and open here on the new tab. Now look at this. Here we see now our home page is now our website page right now. If we click on this edit page button here, it open home page here. Okay, it's opening home page. So now this page is the front page of our website right now. So in the next video we will work with the slider, how to add the slider to page website. That's all for now. See you in the next video.